Well, for today, we are still dealing with the humidity and the heat. But the good news, though, it's not as hot as it was this past weekend, that's for sure. We've been struggling to hit 90 degrees, and that's because of the fact that we are starting to see a bit of an increase in those clouds. Thank you for tuning in to your Monday evening weathercast. Temperatures, though, still about a good 20 degrees above average for this time of the year in those mid to upper 80s, 85 in Alpena and Atlanta, 86 in Mayo, 87 in Onaway, cool spot, 82 degrees in Harrisville. Those winds coming out of the east at 8 miles per hour in Alpena, out of the southeast from Harrisville down to Tawas, and going inland a little bit straight out of the south, averaging at 5 miles per hour. Now, the biggest takeaway over the last couple of days, despite the record heat, has been the humidity. If you remember back on Friday, we're seeing those dew points up to 70 degrees, and they've been slowly falling just a couple degrees every single day. And today has been more noticeable than what we had throughout the weekend, especially along the shore where we're still seeing the mugginess up into those upper 60s, 65 in Oscoda, 70 in Alpena, but getting drier the further west you go, 60 in Atlanta, 55 in Onaway, and even towards the western half of the state, seeing some of the driest dew points, 44 degrees in Cadillac. So yes, there is a bit of dry air in place throughout parts of northern lower Michigan. This ridge, though, continues to build through parts of the Great Lakes, but we are starting to see some signs of it crumbling as well. So already towards the west, we're noticing showers and thunderstorms flaring up in parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. That is the cold front. That will eventually be at our doorsteps within the next 36 hours. So we have one more day of summertime warmth on Tuesday. Temperatures still climbing into those mid to upper 80s, and then here is that cold front, but it pretty much is going to meander just to the west of us the entire day on Tuesday. We'll have partly cloudy skies, maybe a chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm ahead of that cold front with a little bit of daytime heating and a bit of an increase in that humidity. But then by Wednesday, that cold front slides through. We'll have a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the day. We'll call it partly sunny on Wednesday, but temperatures are going to be about a good 20 degrees cooler than what we had on Tuesday, pushing into Wednesday, and then into Thursday. There's going to be eventually another cold front coming in by the time we push towards Friday, and that's going to keep our temperatures struggling to hit 60 degrees on Friday afternoon. So yes, big swing when it comes to that thermometer as we go from the beginning of the work week towards the end of the work week. When it comes to beach and boating, tomorrow's pretty much the last great day, especially with these warm temperatures, low 80s, winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour, waves at less than 2 feet, and then a bit on the nippier side. Those temperatures fall into those low 60s on Wednesday once that cold front passes through. Winds out of the northwest at 10 to 20 knots, gusts up to 30, and those waves a bit choppier, up to 5 feet, water temperature at 68 degrees. Hour by hour for tonight, we're going to still keep it muggy, 60 degrees with a mixture of cloudiness and moonlight. For tomorrow, just a mixed bag when it comes to the cloudiness and the sunshine. Partly cloudy, sunset 7:24 p.m., but still a nice day throughout northeast Michigan. 58 degrees for that morning low on Wednesday, and we begin to increase those shower chances because of that cold front. But look at those temperatures, 59 degrees on Friday with a chance of showers continuing into Saturday. Morning lows as well take a dive from those 60s tomorrow morning all the way down into those low 40s by the weekend.